2025 was supposed to be the year that changed everything for crypto and everyone in crypto. And in some ways it did, and in a lot of ways it did not. First and foremost, we got the six-figure all-time high on BTC, which is very good. We saw ETFs reach record highs when it comes to like inflow, the volume inflow. But in a lot of ways, this cycle could have been legendary, but it left out a lot of things like the alt season. We didn't see alt season. Abi, did it happen? I was not aware. Like, we did not get alt season. And then to make things worse, 2 months ago, which was October, the worst crash and the highest liquidation and the biggest liquidation event we have seen in crypto actually happened. And that reminded us that the 3 letters that begin crypto are there for a reason. So guys, for today's video, we're going to be unpacking everything that's happened this year. We're going to evaluate everything and then think of how we're going to position for 2026. So this one you don't want to miss. So guys, welcome back to VC Crypto Gist, where we talk all things crypto and we break it down so even your grammar can get the hang of it. All right, so if you are new to the channel, you know what to do: like, subscribe, and do all that YouTube stuff. And now that that is out of the way, let's just jump right in. Like, this year could have been the year that changed everything, the year that we bought our Lambos, our matching Lambos, but the market had other plans. So first and foremost, let's begin with the good but not great altcoin season that we did not even get at all. So now, this is the elephant in the room: altcoins. Obviously 2025 was a decent year. Decent. It wasn't even, if I'm being honest, it was not decent enough. It was a decent year for alts. Alts didn't really move well. A lot of alts died, but I believe that the rally that we're supposed to see on altcoins were really stifled. But we saw good runs across AI coins that pumped. Layer 2s had its moments basically, but it was actually short-lived. Then meme coins, they just spike up and down. They're not really reliable. They're just like a flash of lightning. They just pass. Yeah, that's all that. But compared to other previous cycles that we've had when we are talking of alt season, 2025 did not come close in any way. First and foremost, we're supposed to see total market cap for all altcoins break its previous high. We did not even break it. We did not. It's that bad. It's that bad. And now this is already December. And to be honest, I don't really think there is hope for this market. BTC has slumped from 126 down to below 100k. I think we should be around 89 as at the time of recording. So yeah, with all that in mind, there is no alt season. The bear market is already around the corner. A lot of altcoins move like 2 to like 5x. Very few did crazy to like 50, 100x, 200x returns, and that's like mostly meme coins basically, and a select few coins that most people didn't get into early. And why did all of this happen? Well, like we like saying in crypto, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So cycles have changed, interests have changed, and the entire market landscape is changing. So yeah, that is out of the way. Now let's look at how institutionals affected this market, because I believe that because of their interest in this particular cycle, we didn't see Bitcoin, we didn't see the majority of crypto move. Basically, what I think is that they are trying to like stifle this particular cycle so they can accumulate at much lower prices for the future cycle. But that's going to take another almost like 4 years. So yeah, that's going to be a lot. So you're going to be looking at like 2030. Crazy, isn't it? So now, institutional money came in hard this cycle. Spot Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum ETFs, hedge funds, saw BlackRock, Fidelity, Wall Street, and all of the big dogs in the financial game. This sounds bullish, right? But well, it's bullish, but it came with its side effects. The institutionals don't trade like degens. They hedge, they short, they rebalance, they suppress volatility, all of these crazy things that they do. Instead of wild emotional runs like we usually get in the crypto market, we got controlled pumps and controlled dumps, basically. So they are treating our market, our beloved crypto market, like Wall Street. But well, this is the price of institutionals getting involved in our markets. So retail traders were used as liquidity. like this is just a regular day in crypto. Retail traders always receive the most hits. All right. Narratives got sold, then faded. Price action started respecting risk models instead of hypes and all of that. So basically, crypto went from this casino type of game that we're used to a semi-regulated battlefield where we did not have a lot of ammunition and upper hand. Well, it happens. Then now we're about to move to the biggest event that scarred all of us this year, and that was like the wake-up crash that happened in October. Now October came, the crash. Bitcoin dumped hard. Altcoins were obliterated. Meme coins were sent to hell. That's how bad it was. We saw the largest amount of liquidations we've gotten since the beginning of Bitcoin, and that just sends a lot of mixed signals. First and foremost, liquidations wiped out billions in leveraged positions. And why did it happen? A toxic mix of over-leveraged traders, ETF outflows, global macro uncertainty, and Donald Trump doing his usual tough guy. But since Donald Trump came into power, a lot of good things have happened for crypto, but it has not really reflected in the price chart. And a lot of bad things have happened in crypto because of him that has reflected in the price chart. And this is also one of them. Then institutionals were rotating their risk. It wasn't just a crash, it was a reminder that this market doesn't care about your feelings, it doesn't care about your hopes and dreams, it doesn't care about your Lambo and your retirement plan. All right. So this was like the worst thing we saw this year, but it also helped to clean the market basically. And if you are a good trader or you trade very well, that was a good opportunity to get into the market and get a move on. But all in all, it helped the market, but it was a very devastating blow this year. So now let's go over some things that 2025 did right. Now, everything was not all bad. If I'm being honest, it wasn't just so bad basically. First and foremost, 2025 gave us real infrastructure growth. We saw projects with real infrastructure and utilities come out, and they delivered on their promises, and they are still delivering on those promises, right? We got better wallets. We saw a lot of upgrades. We saw that MetaMask sites to support Solana, a lot of upgrades and updates happening here and there. Then we saw faster layer 2s also. The layer 2s were doubling down on that scalability issue that they are looking to fix across Ethereum. We saw real-world asset tokenization by a lot of protocols that are in the real-world asset space. Then we saw better user experience in DeFi, yield rates. I think yield rates slightly increased across some protocols, but not all. So this cycle built foundations instead of just speculation. That's something I was telling someone, that as much as we didn't get the price action we all love to see, I think that this cycle is laying the groundwork for a much bigger super cycle that is to come after the incoming bear market. So AI plus crypto became a real thing, serious thing. We saw real world asset tokenization not just be a theory. We saw it in real utility. We saw it get used, and privacy tech has quietly improved in the background. And privacy, real world assets, AI and crypto projects and layer 2s are really going to be the future, because they are really helping to shape the entire crypto landscape. That's the real genuine projects that are following up on their promises, not all these ones that come, they say they want to help you do some kind of projects. If you read their white paper, you just know that this is a stupid project. You don't even want to throw your money into it. So this wasn't a hype cycle like the other cycles we've gotten. This was a development cycle, a foundational cycle that is laying the groundwork for a super cycle that is to come. All right. So now, what are we to expect in 2026? So what does 2026 look like? So this is a simple roadmap that I put together. We're going to see more regulated on-ramps, basically more regulated ways of getting money in and out of crypto, from your fiat to your crypto and from your crypto to your fiat. We're going to see more regulated on-ramps. We're going to see stronger institutional presence and smarter retail traders with the help of AI, because AI is getting infused into every single thing, even down to the way we live, the way we organize. Every single thing AI is getting infused into it, and it's also getting infused into trading. So we're going to see smarter retail traders, and we're going to see real utility tokens outperforming hype coins, basically. So Bitcoin may not 10x from here, but mid-cap utility projects, like I said earlier, your AIX crypto projects, RWAs, privacies, and layer 2s, they are just getting warmed up, so you don't want to miss out. But that doesn't mean that they are just going to rally up in 2026. Always remember, do your own research. None of this is financial advice, all right? Alt season isn't dead. It's just a bit, it's going to be delayed, and it's going to be very selective about the projects that actually get to enjoy the liquidity that will be injected into the altcoin market. So 2025 wasn't the explosive bull run that all of us expected, but it did help in laying the groundwork for a lot of major events that we're going to see coming in the next few years. And while this may all seem like a long shot, remember it wasn't so long ago that BTC was at 18k. People were saying BTC was going back to 10k, and then we saw BTC at 60, then at 100, then at 126. So yeah, you just have to enjoy the ride and be like the institutionals. You play the long game, and that's the only way to make decent and good life-changing profit in the market. So with all that being said, I hope you found this video useful, helpful, beautiful, and then yeah, if you found this video very helpful, you know what to do, share with your friends. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Stay rich, stay profitable. Peace.